Hi, so good evening. So yeah, am I audible? Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Thanks for coming. Hey, so yeah, good evening, everyone. So yeah, we will wait for maybe 1 or 2 more minutes, or maybe a couple of minutes to start the session. Okay, we'll wait for a couple of more minutes, then we can start the session. So until that, so probably we request you to just WhatsApp to this given number, saying that I have joined the data science demo in the Harsha training number. I hope you know the Harsha trainings number, right? Just WhatsApp to that number. WhatsApp to that number that yes, I have joined the data science demo today. So that the admin team knows that who are joined, and they will just going to check with your next proceedings. Okay. So everyone, please send a message to this number. Okay, so probably we can start the session. Okay, so am I audible to everyone? Am I audible to everyone? Can someone please confirm? Am I audible? Yes. Okay. Thanks.
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks for confirmation. Okay. Fine. So we'll start the session. Okay. So yeah, this is a data science course where we are going to learn for the next couple of months. Okay. And the very first topic, what we are going to start is Python, obviously. And before going to the Python, let's have some the guidelines, or maybe like how we are going to plan the structure of the course, and what we are going to learn, and what are the do's and don'ts that we are recommending everyone to follow in this course. So what is a weekly test, about the weekly test, the projects, everything we are going to discuss in detail. Okay, that is nothing kind of like a demo kind of a session. Okay, let us discuss on those points, then you can easily understand what we are going to learn and what is the exclusive features of this course. Everything we are going to discuss. Okay, clear? Okay, so let's go. So this is myself, this is my introduction to all of you. So my name is Chaitanya. I'm a postgraduate from IIT Roorkee, having 20 plus years of experience in IT industry. I'm a specializer in generative AI, right now working in Infosys Hyderabad. Okay, and these are the past companies where I worked on, like Tata Consulting Engineers, HCL Technologies, Tech Mahindra, Capgemini, right now Infosys. So my switching period is very after 5 years only. Generally, I work for a company for 5 years usually. Yeah, 6 years or 7 years. In HCL, I say I work for almost for 6 years, 6+. This is also 6+. So this is for 2 years. This is again for another like 4 years. So Infosys, I already work for 5 years plus or something. So usually my company is working will be always like more than 5 years a day, 5 years every time. So I have been providing this training on Python, data engineering with Python, Python full stack, data science, all these like generative AI, everything I'm just going to provide. I have started my training career for almost like 2013, almost. So my training experience is almost 10 plus years so far. So far, I have trained almost 70 plus batches in the last 10 years. This current batch is, I believe, it's a 74th batch. The 74th batch right now. And so, yeah, so many people I have trained, and so far. So this is my entire training experience and my current working experience. Okay. This is very brief about me. Okay. This is very brief about me. So, yeah. Course specialties. Let us say, what is this course specialties? So, in course, actually, every session will be automatically recorded in the Zoom meetings, or every session will be recorded. Okay, and that recording session will be shared to you, or the drive, or somewhere, some other place you can able to have some access to the recording sessions. The purpose of the recording sessions is, for example, on you want to recollect or revise the one of the class on specific topic. Let us say list is one of the topic we covered in the Python on one day. So you want to revise that topic. So you can simply open that recording and watch the recording for 1 hour session, and you can able to recollect everything, whatever we discussed on that particular session for the list topic. Like this, each and every topic, whatever we are discussing on daily basis during the entire course, everything will be recorded, and that sessions will be shared to you. Recording sessions will be shared to you somewhere in the drive or OneDrive or wherever it is, somewhere it is. So that admin team is going to provide you the details where we are going to share it and how you are going to access it. Clear? And that is one important point, that you are going to get every session will be recorded. You are going to get the access for that soon. And notebook, code notebook. In the Python, there is a separate software called Jupyter. A separate software called Jupyter. This Jupyter specialty of this notebook is, I can write any code in front of you. I can execute each and every line of code individually. For example, I write some 100 lines of program. I need to, in case of Java or other programming languages, I need to execute the entire program to get the output of the entire program, right? But in case of Python, which is a specialized software called Jupyter Notebook, so in this one, if I want to execute one out of the 100 lines of program, if I want to execute only one line of code, yes, I can execute only that specific line of code. That is also that there is a lot of facilities are there. If I write so many of code here today, I simply share that code notebook to you. It's a called notebook, what we call as Jupyter notebooks. Every day I'm going to write a code in front of you, lot of code I'm going to write, so that you can easily learn how to write the code, or the way we are writing the code, how to debug the code. Everything I'm going to show you directly in front of you in the class. I'll share my screen. I'll keep on showing that information to you. So such a notebook, whatever I am writing, code I am writing in the class, I'm sharing that code notebook also to you on everyday class notebook. I'm going to share it with you along with the session drive, the recording session also. So every day you are going to get the session recording as well as the code notebook. What are the code we have discussed on that day, the code also I'm going to share with you. So two things you are going to get on daily basis. Clear, everyone? Anyone have any questions on this? Okay. So the next is course material. So for every topic like Python, regular expressions, data libraries, machine learning, mathematics, deep learning, every topic, there is one. I have prepared this material with my own hands. It's not a copy paste of some PDF and I'm just sharing the material to you. No. This is the material I have prepared with based upon my 20 years of experience. So this is my own material I prepared with my own hands. It's easy for you to understand, easy for you to recollect also. The same material, whatever I am using during the class, the same material I am sharing with you. There are no two materials, one material is for you and one material is for me. No, there is only one single material. I am also using the same material. You are also going to use the same material for the entire course. This course material also I am going to share. Clear? Assignments on every topic, every technical topic we are discussing, like Python, strings, numbers, dictionaries, list, tuples of functions, modules, inheritance, whatever is the topic we are learning in the Python. On every topic, there are a couple of assignment programs we are going to share with you along with the course materials, etc. And that assignments that helpful for you to practice on daily basis. You need to practice for example, today we are covering the list topic. So there are some assignments on the list concept. You open the assignment document and just read the program, whatever we are being asking to you to write. Simply try for the program. You'll get some hands-on. That hands-on is very, very, very important for you. Just theoretical knowledge is not enough for you here. In any programming language, just theoretical knowledge is not enough. You have to get the very good hands-on on the programming also. That is also required for sure. For sure, you need to understand. That is the one of the biggest place where you need to spend a lot of time here. Assignments. As much as time you are spending on the assignments, that much of hands-on code, hands-on you are going to get it. Yes, while writing the code, you are going to get a lot of doubts. Note down those notes. We can able to discuss those doubts in the next day class. You can raise your hand, or you can also discuss, meet me offline, call me or something, anything, whatever you convenient. We can discuss even after the end of the class also. We can able to extend the class for a couple of more minutes to discuss your doubts. Anything is fine, but ultimately your questions or doubts should be clarified. That is the important point. What is the convenient way for you to ask your doubts? You choose your own convenient way, but I am fine to clarify your doubts in any convenient way you choose. Clear? And I think most of you already having looking for taking these training programs for cracking the jobs or dream jobs, etc. So I know, as like 20 years of my experience, I just took the lot of interviews, and I evaluated so many candidates in my interview as an interview panel member. I know what is the important questions people generally usually ask. Majority of the frequent asked questions. What is the exact answers you need to reply? Such a questions also I'll keep on highlighting those questions, and I'll provide what is the exact answer you need to provide, so that it's easy for you to just note down the questions and on each and every topic, and you can able to read those questions and understand what is the exact answer we need to reply to those questions in the interviews. So it's easy for you to crack the interviews also, if that is the case. I'll keep on highlighting on every topic wise. I'll keep on highlighting this is the important interview question. So this is the important interview question. This is the answer you should tell. So I'll keep on highlighting on topic wise during each and every class. So I encourage everyone, please ask any questions at any time. You stop me right there. You just stop me right there. If you have any questions, just stop me right there. Ask your question. Simple. So don't hesitate to ask the question. Or if you are unable to, like if you are not, you are hesitating something, like kind of introvert, where you don't want to ask in front of everyone in the class. You at the end of the class, you ask me, okay, stay in the class for a couple of more minutes. I will continue the class for a couple of more minutes, and we both discuss what is your questions. I can able to clarify your questions. That is also fine. But ultimately, questions should be clarified. That is the important point. Without clarifying the questions, your topic, your knowledge is not 100%. If you want to get the 100% knowledge, you should not have any doubts in your mind. Understand? So just leave that hesitating. Don't hesitate to ask the question. Ask the questions. Leave that that kind of nature. Okay, if I ask question, I don't know how many people will feel. Okay, this guy doesn't know this answer. Also, no, nothing. You don't know means you don't know. That's it. So not knowing is not a problem. Not asking question is a problem. Clear? If I don't know something, yes, I will try to learn something by reading the textbook or by asking someone, whatever is a convenient way for me to learn that, yes, I will follow that. I don't hesitate to say, I don't know. Yes, I don't know. But I can learn it. I can clarify my doubts. I can gain the knowledge. Tomorrow I will know it. Today I don't know, but tomorrow I will know it. I am sure I know it, because today I am going to spend some time on learning it. I'll get it done. So until you have some doubts in your mind, your knowledge is not complete. 100% knowledge, you are not going to get it. That is very, very important point. Don't hesitate to ask the questions. That is very, very, very important. Clear? And weekly test, we are going to conduct a test on every week from the third week onwards, not the first week onwards, because first week we don't cover the much syllabus to prepare some examination. From the third week onwards, it's a quite good syllabus will be covered in the first 3 weeks. Yes, from the third week onwards, you will be giving one exam on daily every Saturday. Every Saturday you will be having one exam, and so you have to attend the exam. Exam means exam can be a multiple choice questions. It can be a program, right? So anything, the exam could be anything. It can be multiple choice questions, or it can be a program that we are going to asking you. So you have to attend the exam, maybe or not offline, maybe on, so maybe not online, maybe offline also fine. You take your question paper, you spend some half an hour time or 1 hour time. You provide all the answers for the multiple choices. So you submit your answers. On the next day, or maybe next day or next 2 days, we are going to explain what is the correct answers for each and every question. Why this is the correct answer. Or if it is a program, what is the correct code we need to write for this program, why this code, the explanation of the code, so that you can easily understand what the code you have written, what the code I have written, what is the difference, what is the logic I have implemented. I will explain that clearly in the class. You can easily understand what is the mistake you have done, what is the improvements you can make, everything you can able to understand easily. Clear? Is that clear, everyone? Weekly test. Interviews also, I already mentioned that, like, we can able to just going to highlight the points or important interview questions where you are going to face in interviews. We're going to highlight it. Okay, I think, like, so admin team is going to help you in like resume preparations, etc. So that help will be there. So I'll be accessible even after the class also. If you want to have any doubts, you can please try to reach me out to clarify your doubts. I'm happy, very, very happy to clear your doubts. If you are hesitating to ask the question in the class in front of everyone, you can just ask me at the end of the class, or at the starting of the class, or after the class. Anything is fine for me. So this is like not a 5 months, this is like a 6 months course. 6 months. I'd usually go to the 6.5 months also, including the leaves or everything we are going to take. So leaves means, don't think I'm going to take too many leaves. No, I will take leaves only on like travel time. So generally I may be traveling some Pune on specific days because of my office work and clients meetings and etc. I'll move to Pune like some days. On the days, on the travel days, I'm going to take a leave, but otherwise I will never take a leave. As long as I'm in Hyderabad, I will not take leaves. Remember that point. My classes will be very, very regular. Very regular. Majority trainers take like on weekly 5 days, or they'll take only 3 days, and 2 days they will take a leave, or 4 days 1 day leave. No, my case is not going to happen that. In monthly of 25 classes, I will take maximum 1 day leave, or not even that also sometimes. Be prepared to attend the intro classes on daily basis in my course. Prepare for it. Don't think it's like a kind of a like movie. Okay, let's go today, let's not go today, and no, not like that. If you are going such a mode, then don't waste your time of just joining this course. That is what my suggestion. If you are serious about your career, then attend this course and get the maximum benefit, and then get your dream job. If you are not serious about this course, then don't waste your time and don't waste your money too. I am giving, and admin team is giving their maximum effort, or make this training success, and success lies with you, because if you are going to get the job, then that is your success and our success too. Clear? So my recommendation is, just take this course as very serious. Don't like one day I'll come to the class, tomorrow I'll take a leave, I'll go to the home, and tomorrow I'll go to the movie, and let's watch web series or someday. And if this is what your plan, don't waste your time and money. That is what my sincere suggestion. First, prepare yourself, prepare your mind, saying that yes, this is the most important topic, important activity in my life at this point of time. You prepare your mindset, then you come and you'll get some good self-encouragement here to attend the classes daily. I know there is so many deviation topics where your friend will come, ask you, let's go to the movie, let's go to the like pub or restaurant, and dances and anything like parties. Stop everything for the next 6.5 months. World is not going to stop if you don't go to any movie or something. No IPL matches, no movies. Just stop everything. This is nothing going to stop. World is keep on running. Clear, everyone? So yes, job assistance also, I think the team is going to provide. Harsha Trainings are going to provide. So no need to worry about this. But you please concentrate on the course knowledge. 100% knowledge, you gain it. The job is automatically runs behind you. You don't need to run behind the job. Oh, I need the job, I need the job. If you are having the talent, the employers is going to run behind you. Yeah, that person is having a talent. So just recruit him. That's it. Talent means like a good subject. That is nothing but talent, actually. You gain the subject, definitely you're going to get the job for sure. If you have like 50% knowledge, okay, you say that, okay, my friend is getting the job, my brother is also getting the job, I am not getting the job. How you can get the job with the 50%? Maybe you may get the job, but the job is going, you are going to survive in the job or not, it's a luck, pure luck basis. Clear? So these are my course specialties. Every session will be recorded and that will be shared to you on everyday basis. Every day we are going to discuss a lot of code, and that code also I'm just going to share with you. Clear? And course material, there are every topic wise, Python, regular expressions, machine learning, deep learning, every topic there is a material I have prepared with my own hands. I am sure you are not going to get this material anywhere in the entire world. This is the material I have prepared on my own based upon my 20 years of experience. So I'm going to share that material also to you. And as every topic wise we have assignments. These assignments are helpful to you to gain the very, very good, super duper hands-on every topic wise. You can ask questions at any time in the class. Don't hesitate to ask the questions. This is my strongly recommending to everyone. Strongly recommending to everyone. And okay, every week we are going to conduct the test also from the 3rd week onwards. Weekly test. Be prepared to attend the examinations on every week, every Saturday. Yes, we are going to provide a sufficient time for you to submit your answers. There is no hurry. You are going to provide a sufficient time for you to submit your answers. You submit your answers or submit your code. We are going to explain the correct answers, correct code, what is the logic behind the code, what is the efficient way of writing the code. Everything we are going to explain so that you can easily understand what is the code you have written, what is the code I have written, what is the differences, why I have written the code this way, etc. So 6.5 months is my course duration, or 6 to 6.5 months. And yes, you can able to ask me doubts even after the class, also at the end of the class or at the starting of the class. Anytime, whatever is convenient for you to clarify your doubts, you can ask me the questions. But don't hesitate. Don't keep your questions in your mind. That is what my sincere request to everyone. Don't keep the questions in your mind. There is no use of keeping the questions in your mind. There is no use. There is no use at all. Clear? Anyone have any questions on this course specialties? If anyone have any questions, please raise your questions, please. No questions, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Can someone please say like yes or no, or no idea? Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, so you please be proactive in the class. Okay, I'll keep on asking many questions in the class. Okay, so not a specific person, but I'll keep on asking questions so that I just wanted to confirmation whether you're listening or you're alert yourself, or you're just sleeping in the class. I just wanted to check sometimes. Okay, please be alert in the class. I ask the questions, you just say some answers like yes or no or yes, something answers. Okay, fine. So this session, I want to make my sessions always, I want to make it as a proactive or very interactive sessions, not like a one-day traffic or like a one-way traffic. Okay. So I want to recommend everyone some do's and don'ts in my course. I am strictly instructing or enforcing, any word you can use it, up to your choice. I don't care about it, but I'm instructing everyone to follow these do's and don'ts strictly in my course, in this course actually. One guarantee I can give to everyone: if you are following these do's and don'ts strictly, I am sure the guarantee I can give is in the max, after the end of this course, maximum 4 to 6 months. That is also maximum 4 to 6 months. I am sure you are going to get the job, provided if you follow these do's and don'ts strictly. These do's and don'ts are not for me, guys. It's not for me. This is for you. I am already having my own job. I am already earning myself. I am good at this stage. So 20 years of experience. I am going good. There is no problems actually. So you are in the stage of seeking for the job, or maybe upskilling, whatever is a choice, whatever is like case. That activity is very, very important for you. If you want to get the maximum benefit from this course, maximum 100% or more than 100% benefit from this course, you please follow these do's and don'ts strictly. Of course, you may have your question like, okay, as do's and don'ts, it's very simple. What you say, like attend the class and etc. etc. It's very simple. No, it's not that simple actually. You have very good dedication to follow these do's and don'ts. You have to sacrifice your enjoyments here for the next 6.5 months. So much of sacrifices you have to do to follow these do's and don'ts. It's like kind of you're preparing your mind to show the dedication towards this course. That's very, very important. If you're learning something, means almost everyone in the world has to put a lot of efforts to learn something new. Remember how you are learning the car first time. Do you remember your days of learning car? How much difficult it is at the time. You have to see the margins, you need to like press the clutch, brake, change the gear, and so many things you need to do at a time. I am sure everyone feels difficulty while learning the car first time, but after the difficulty, once you learn the car, it's like kind of a small activity. Like you can just drive the car on just like playing something and singing something. It becomes easy after that. But the first time learning any activity is always difficult for everyone, not only you, for even IITians and everyone. It is busy, they're difficult because it's a first time learning. A new concept is we're injecting to our brains. It's a difficult to understand the concept. Yes, I am here to explain the concept more, make more simpler to you. That is my job, to make the concept more simpler to you. I will try to inject more concept to your brains. You can easily understand. Clear? Okay, so let's start the don'ts. What is the don'ts? My sincere recommendation is, please do not make any absent to the classes on any day. Don't make any absent. So don't think, okay, today I will just take a 1 day leave, okay, because I am going hometown, 1 day leave, and let us have this is one our heroes movies released today. I will take a leave today. Our IPL final match, I'm taking a leave today. So these IPL matches are coming on every year. Your favorite movie heroes are releasing movies releasing every month, or maybe every 3 months, or maybe every year also. So many movies are releasing. There is no problem. There is nothing is going to stop if you don't watch the movie or don't watch the IPL final match or don't go to the home, etc. Nothing is going to stop. Everything is going to continue as is. But you are still be on the same jobless or downscaling. You are the one which is going to suffer if you don't attend these classes. So that's why I don't want anyone to miss the class unless otherwise it's a very extremely reasonable, like very sick, unable to attend the classes. Some emergency situation in your personal life, like something like you're going to home on a very emergency basis, something important. That cases are okay, exceptional. But don't think every case is exceptional. So don't miss the classes every day. Daily attend the classes without a file. Okay. So that is one of the strict don't I want you to follow. So don't take the long leaves. So some people will take the long leaves on one time in the course. Let us say a Pongal holidays is coming. Of course, we are going to give some 2 to 3 days as like 1 or 2 days or as holidays as a Pongal. But that holidays are not sufficient for me. I want to take a leave of 10 days. I want to go to my hometown. I want to, from there, I want to Tirupati, somewhere I want to go to some Bangalore, etc., etc. Relatives are coming, going, so I want to take 10 days leaves. Once you take the long leave, what will happen is, you are going to back off like 10 days before you are at the lag of 10 days classes. It's impossible for you to cover the 10 days classes, though the session recordings are available. If it is something like a web series, yes, I can continuously sit for 10 hours. I can see all the episodes, and in 1 day I can quickly cover. It's very easy because it's an enjoyment. My mind, I don't need to put my 100% brain there. 5% brain is enough to watch the web series, which is a comedy or action or something. Then I can watch it very easily. Then I can go through it. But attending this, watching this technical topic series, this kind of sessions, recording sessions, you need to keep your 100% brain there to understand what the teacher is speaking, what he is writing the code, what is the doubts, etc., etc. So don't think, okay, I can able to watch the 10 days classes in one day. No, it is impossible. So don't take a long list. Just simply forget about the long lists. Simply forget about the long lists. You may have a question, sir, I sick for like 10 days because of dengue, chikungunya, etc., etc. So of course, it's an exceptional case. That is agreed. But my suggestion is, don't just play with your health. That is what my recommendation. So for the next 6 months, eat healthy food. Okay, stay away from the late night parties. Stay away from the junk food. Stay away from the oil foods, biryanis, whatever is going to damage your health. Just stay away from them. Eat healthy food, stay healthy, attend the classes every day. Don't be sick in the next 6.5 months. Okay, I will tell you one example. Actually, I'll tell you one realistic example what has happened in my life. Actually, I have been preparing for the GATE examination in 2003, I think, as 2003 years. I prepared very well. Before night, I covered all the revised all the syllabus. I am done with my preparation. And I eat one biryani because of tensions. Tomorrow is my examination, GATE examination, which is my life and death question. I eat to recover from the tension. I eat one biryani. Yes, I'm good. I went to sleep very good. Tomorrow morning, I wake up and I went to the examination. Very good. Everything is happy. During the examination, my stomach was upset just for eating the biryani in the before night. So I immediately went to bathroom. They stay for like almost 10 minutes. My 10 minutes time is wasted in my examination hall. Of course, I got like 99.09 percentile in my GATE examination. I got my seat in the IIT Roorkee. I studied. That's fine, no problem. But my point is, if I spend these 10 minutes of time in my examination hall, I am sure I'm going to get like 99 point some 2 percentile or 3 percentile. I'm going to get the better seat in the better college, maybe IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, IIT ISC Bangalore, a better seat, definitely for sure, which I cannot recover in entire my life, right? So please don't take the leaves and don't be late the classes. Every day I'm going to, so 8:30 means for me 8:30. 8:30 means don't think 8:40, 8:45, 8:50 slowly I will come and I'll, okay, so no. I will start maximum 2 minutes. I'm going to give the buffer, like to start your computer and join the class and setting up your mics and etc. 2 minutes will be sufficient. So 8:32 I'm going to start the session daily for sure. Clear? This is 8:32 I'm going to start the session. So don't be late to the class. If you late the classes, what will happen is, for example, you make the 10 minutes late to the class today. 10 minutes I'll cover one small topic which is a dependent topic to the rest of the class. Like rest of the class is like 15 minutes class is dependent. If you late to this class 10 minutes, you don't hear this 10 minutes topic, you don't understand this 50 minutes class also. There is no use for you to join the remaining class, 50 minutes class. There is no use. Agree? So that's why don't late to the classes. And my recommendation is, so everyone, most of the people have a good habit. It's a good habit actually to write the class notes in the class. During the class itself, they'll write the notes. It's a good habit. I am saying it's a good habit. There is no bad habit. But my recommendation is, don't write the class notes in the class during the class. Rather, what I suggest you is, you keep on watching my screen, what I am writing, how I am writing the code, what I am explaining, how I am debugging the code, how I am correcting the code, how I am executing the code, everything I keep on showing. So you please stay focused on my screen, what I am teaching, what I am talking, etc. If you still have a habit of writing the notes, it's a very good habit. I am not saying it's a bad habit. It's a very, very good habit. After the class, you will have the session recording, the class recording. You open the recording and pause the recording wherever you want to pause it, write your notes very neatly, fairly, and very cleanly, and again resume your watching session. And the double benefit is you can able to revise your session once. You can also write your notes on your own small pace, very simple pace. No, nothing hurry burry here. That is my recommendation. If you have like a very good speed of writing the notes, if you want, you can able to cover easily writing the notes, listening my words, and watching my screen. If you have such a capability, yeah, you go ahead. But my recommendation is just focus on what I am teaching, what I am writing, and then keep continuing on writing the notes after the class. That is what my session. And my session is, since it's like 8:30 p.m., I think it's like a dinner time. My recommendation is don't take dinner before coming to the class, because generally humans will get sleepy. Some sleeping nature you're going to get it. So you will struggle a lot to understand what I'm saying. You're going to get some sleep on the highs. So 9:30 we are going to close the session. Maybe after 9:30 you can have a dinner. That is also fine. So these are my strict don'ts, what I want to recommend you. Please follow these don'ts strictly. So these are the do's and don'ts for you only, not for me, guys. I'm just telling you frankly. Clear, everyone? Anyone have any questions on the don'ts? So probably I can stop the session here today, because I want maybe many people having some questions about the codes, and maybe some topics, or maybe like jobs, or any general topics or course topics, anything we can discuss. Since it's the very first day session, let us discuss on some generic topics also. If you have anyone have any questions, you please raise it, we'll discuss it. Anyone have any questions? Any topic, any course related, or job related, or interview related, or any, even about me or about you, or anything. Sudhakar, Sivanand, any questions? Yeah, Sudhakar, the course content we have not covered, but I will tell you the high level actually course content. We are going to start with Python, then regular expressions. After then, data libraries called NumPy, Pandas, etc. And we are also discussing about the mathematics required for understanding the machine learning and deep learning concepts. Then move to the machine learning, then deep learning, then just give a overview on the generative AI. These are the topics of the course content. So are you clear? And duration is 6.5 months, Sudhakar. So anyone have any other questions? Any other questions from anyone, or everything is good? Sivanand, any questions? Sandeep, I think you joined just now. We just covered, I covered something. Yeah, if you have any questions, yeah, please raise your questions about the course or anything.
I have few, but sorry, I just joined. Maybe I'll go through.
Yeah, please. Yeah, please raise your questions. We just covered the topic of what is the specialties. Okay, let me just share my screen once again. So these are the core specialties. We are just going to have the session recording daily. Daily session will be recorded, will be shared to you also. And along with that, you will be shared some code notebook also. What the code we are discussing on the daily class, we are going to share that code notebook also. Course material topic wise also will be shared to you. And each and every topic wise, we have some assignment programs that will be helpful for you to get the good hands on. Okay, every week we have some weekly test. Saturday you have to attend the examinations on every week from third week onwards, not the first week onwards, third week onwards. This is a 6.5 months duration course. And as I will be accessible to you even after the class also, if you have any questions, please raise your questions.
Okay.
And anytime you can ask the questions to me. Yeah, please go ahead.
Thank you. So, the course content, sir, can I get it? What you'll be?
Yeah, course content is, first we're going to start with Python. So let us just hit here. So we're going to start with Python, complete Python.
Okay.
After then regular expressions, which is very much useful in the data science. Okay. After then data libraries called NumPy, Pandas, etc. And the math, for machine learning, we need to have some basic mathematics required, linear algebra, probability, statistics, etc. The basic math, whatever is required for the machine learning. After then machine learning, deep learning. After then generative AI overview, just a overview. So these are the topics, the content, course content.
Okay.
On high level.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So, okay, anyone have any questions? Other questions?
So, do you think the overview of Gen AI, is it enough to crack the job in the current market, sir, or
No.
should we deeper there?
No, actually, so here, where you are going for the ML engineer jobs.
Okay.
ML engineer jobs, yes, machine learning, deep learning is quite enough. If you are going to apply for generative AI, so my role is generative AI expert in my company right now.
Okay.
I'm a generative AI expert, where I'm generally works on LLMs, OpenAI, ChatGPT, GPT models, etc.
Okay.
So usually, so for such a job, yes, you need to go for a specialization called generative AI.
Okay.
If you're going for like AI engineer or ML engineer, etc., yes, ML and DL is sufficient.
Okay, sir. Okay.
If you go for a specialized, some specialization, okay, normal MBBS doctor and like cardiologist, both are different. Different means cardiologist more specialized in the medicine. Right? So
yes,
the which job, maybe there is couple of one more as well, computer vision, CV, what we call. Like how generative AI is specialized in CV, also one specialization.
Okay.
If you want to go for some computer vision engineer, yes, you don't need to learn the generative AI, you need to learn more on the CV.
Okay.
So which one you want to go, that is your choice.
Understood. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other questions from anyone? No questions? Good. So I think so, Sudhakar, fee about everything. I probably Harsha, the admin team is going to discuss with you. Maybe you can have a discussion with you, because I see the technical part. I'm a trainer actually, so okay. I'll just take the technical parts. Okay.
Okay. So I'm just typing my admin number so that you can message on this admin number. So on the next class will be on Friday, right, sir?
Yeah. So next class we can continue tomorrow also. Not a problem.
Okay.
Friday is also, anything is fine. Yeah. So anyone have any questions on this so far? So from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start with, actually, next class onwards, we are going to start with what is the different options, job opportunities you have after learning this course. So many job opportunities market wise, what we can do with Python and everything, very general concepts about the Python. Then we'll move to the core technical parts, like Python concepts, different type of data types in Python called numbers, strings, list, dictionary. We'll keep on continuing topic by topic. From tomorrow, we are going to discuss about the generalized about the Python. What is the Python programming language? So like a object oriented, interpreted, how to install Python, and where is the different Python installations are available, how to download them, everything we are going to discuss. Clear? Today is just a course structure and course content, those things we are discussing, okay, not major. But tomorrow onwards, we are going to discuss about the general topics, market, Python market, how we are going to get the jobs, what is the different job opportunities you will be eligible for. Those things we are going to discuss from tomorrow. Is that clear, everyone? Anyone have any questions? If anyone class questions, like Sudhakar, anyone questions, please raise your questions. Sandeep, Sudhakar.
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay, good. Okay, so since this is a very first class, I don't want to block for the entire 1 hour. Okay, so we are going to stop at 10 minutes before today, but from tomorrow we're going to take some entire 1 hour actually. Okay, since it's the very first day class, I don't want you to sit for 1 hour in front of the laptop. Okay, so yeah, from tomorrow you're going to continue for the 1 hour class. Okay, fine. If anyone have any questions about the course or content or duration or jobs or anything about it, so you please raise, I can able to answer your question, or else we can able to close the session today.
I think we are good, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, thanks everyone. So we'll meet again next class. So next class we are going to continue on the general topics about the Python. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.